Hello there, in this video you'll learn the 5 tips to master Play framework. Tip 1. Understand the dependency injection principles. This will help you to better structure your code and make it more maintainable. Tip 2. Get up to speed with the latest features in Play. Knowing the latest features will help you to create more efficient applications. Tip 3. Learn the Play framework's security features. Security is very important in any application, so make sure that you know how to apply it. Tip 4. Learn how to debug Play applications. Debugging is an important part of application development and it will help you to quickly find and solve problems. Tip 5. Understand the basics of HTTP. Knowing the basics of HTTP will help you to better understand how the framework works and how to use it more efficiently. These are our 5 tips to master Play framework. Now you are ready to start creating amazing applications.